it was the best experience ever. Thank you.
I am Karo Mudho. I am a mechanical engineering student.
Hello everyone, my name is Isaac Chege Mwangi. I'm basically a student at United States International University doing IBA, which is International Business Administration.
Today's workshop was about the exposure triangle, that is the ISO, the aperture, and the shutter speed. So we have learned how to juggle between all this in order to get a perfectly exposed photo.
Part-time when I'm out of school, I'm a photographer as well, and I cannot say I'm an expert because I'm in this field for about a year and 2 months.
My name is Lillian Muru and I'm from St. Paul's University. I'm doing psychology, and photography is really the first thing. I've never done it. It's like the first time to hold a camera too, and my experience was great because I think I have a passion in photography.
My name is Paulette Miner from TUK doing quantity surveying. It's my first time in a school learning, an institution teaching on how to use cameras, and my experience today was fine. I didn't know there was a lot of technical things happening so that you can just take one picture. I'm just used to holding a camera, I guess, with prepared settings, and well, I take a photo, but not as good as I did today.